Ever tried to bake something that looks super fancy, but is actually ridiculously simple? That's exactly what we're doing today. Get ready to whip up the most buttery, melt in your mouth Mexican wedding cookies, and I promise, your taste buds will thank you. Today, we're unmasking the magic behind these delightful little snowballs. Many folks think they're complicated, needing special skills or exotic ingredients. But what if I told you the secret to their irresistible texture and flavor is hiding in plain sight, right in your pantry? We're going to break down every step, making it easy for even the newest baker to feel like a pro. The truth is, all you need are a few basic ingredients: butter, powdered sugar, flour, vanilla, and pecans. The real trick? It's all in the mixing and a little patience. We start by creaming softened butter with a bit of powdered sugar until it's light and fluffy, almost like a cloud. This step is crucial for that tender, crumbly texture everyone loves. Then, we fold in the flour and finely chopped pecans. Don't overmix. That's the golden rule for tender cookies. Overworking the dough makes them tough. Once our dough comes together, a quick chill helps firm it up, making it easier to roll into those perfect little spheres. Bake them until they're just set, barely golden on the bottom. Then comes the fun part: rolling them in a snowdrift of powdered sugar while they're still warm, and then again once they've cooled. This double dusting is what gives them that signature sweet, snowy coating and locks in all that buttery goodness. If you're ready for another sweet treat, click right here for our next mouth-watering recipe.